We have another Accurite wireless thermometer failure. The transmitter here, this is the transmitter 00592TXR. Temperature and humidity wireless transmitter, which is what I use with these, has gone bad again. Okay, I've got this on channel A. I've got good batteries in here. I've got this also on channel A. And we should get a light when it transmits. It'll flash every time it refreshes. When I put the batteries in, we get no light. Nothing wrong with the batteries. This display is working. I'll swap two of these out here. Put these in there. Display is working fine again. And then we put these in here. Actually, the display is not working fine. The display is having a some kind of a glitch. This is like a double fail here. There is a reset button and you have to press it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, the button cell battery must be dead. I'm calling it the CMOS battery, but it's not really what it is, because usually it would keep the date and time with the little button cell battery. But the point is, here we go again. This is not working, and it's getting a little bit agitating because I bought, like, I think I have 5 of these the receivers around the house, and I really like the displays because you have the nice big numbers at the top. I replaced the sensor. I'm using it on channel B now, the new one, and I should grab it within a minute or so. But I like the displays because you've got the 2 big numbers at the top, you got the time and date, and then the indoor stupid moon. I hate the moon, but you got the moon phase on there too. And so it's a nice display. You can see it from all the way across the room. And because I spent so much money on those sensors, I would hate to shift to a new system over this failure. So then I go out and I buy another one for, I don't know, 15 or 20 beans, and then it lasts a year or two, and then I come to the same conclusion. Well, I would hate to get rid of these over this failure of the sensors. Then I go out and buy another one. And it's like Accurate has completely got me hooked, because this is how so many of these cheap Chinese products are. They are cheap enough that it's like, well, I'm not going to not buy it because it broke, but they're expensive enough that it's ridiculous that it breaks. But, you know, whatever. It's just the same thing over and over again with all this stuff made in China. It's always breaking. And, you know, I take care of the sensor too. Like, I don't mount it in direct sunlight or direct rain. I mount it under the deck. It's dry, I keep it clean, and it still breaks. Very annoying. You know, there's nothing obvious because nothing is corroded, you know, everything is copacetic, but it still breaks. That's not right.